Alright everybody, I'm not going to lie, I'm really excited about this particular build. It's something that's been brewing in my mind for quite some time because it's really addressing a request that has been made a lot to me. This particular generation of Ford F-150, the 2009 to 2014, there's no real high performance drop-in headlight assembly available out there on the market. And this has a lot of the features that have been commonly requested of me, and I haven't been able to really showcase or demonstrate the different features or options available for this particular generation of F-150. So first and foremost, this is a Raptor replica style housing. So it's the projector style that is very common and very popular, but most importantly is that it is not the halogen projector. This is an EvoXR upgraded Morimoto projector. It's a bi-xenon assembly, super high performance, beautiful cutoff. I'll show you the beam output pattern later. But right now all you need to know is that we are running the 50 watt Morimoto ballast on the 6500 Kelvin bulbs, so it's giving us a nice pure white output. This particular client opted for the lens etching service. As you can see that I did the ByThirteen logo in there. That logo I do for free. You can do any custom logo for $100 or any standard logo, which there are hundreds to choose from, for only $50. So lens etching is a very popular option. Also on this particular housing, these reflectors normally come standard as amber. This was an optional upgrade to go to clear. There is also a smoked option available, so whichever suits your fancy and your particular stylistic goals. And the really popular feature for this guy is this C-DRL. For this particular build, we're running a really nice economical solution, which is the profile pivot. But for a more high performance, brighter, and with more features, switchback diode dynamics also makes a C-DRL that will fit this housing. So if you want an American made product to go on your American truck, I got you covered. Also available as an option, if you're going for something flashy, this fitted halo, rather than being a C-DRL, can also be an RGB product, so you can have that in any color you want. If you pair that with some demon eyes that light up inside of there, you've got yourself a really good looking, high performance build that also is flashy enough for the car shows so that you can stand out. All of these trim levels and features will be priced differently. However, for a reference point, you can go into the video description and you'll see what this particular build runs. Alright, well that's enough talk. Let's see some of this product in action. Right now we're looking at the C-DRLs lit up in running light mode. Again, this is the Profile brand, also available in the Diode Dynamics as a switchback, also available as an RGB product if so interested. All three of the product options that I just referenced for this fitted halo are all switchback. So whether it's a running light, it's going to do a switchback with the turn signal, or even if it's an RGB product, it's still going to do a switchback with the turn signal. Now I've got the headlight turned on one side, and I'm going to point out again that the only way you're going to get this amount of high performance output is not with an aftermarket housing. It's just not going to happen. Aftermarket housings are not impressive. Even the OEM is not capable of this amount of light output. So I will show you right there on the wall what we're looking at. Again, this is the EvoXR projector on 50 watt. Alright, that's the end of my show and tell here today. If you have any questions, read the video description. You'll have my email address right there. Again, if you're interested in ordering a pair like this, I need you to specify things like, do you want a C-DRL? Do you want it to be RGB? Do you want demon eyes? Do you want lens etching? Do you want the clear side markers? Then, if you give me all of that information, including whether or not you're a local or if I'd be a shipping, that's how I can provide you a quote. Help me help you. I get a lot of emails every day, and giving out quotes is a very time-consuming process, and when I've got a queue full of builds already, responding to emails becomes very low on my priority list, and I'm not looking to make any of you feel ignored or unappreciated. That's all I've got for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen. I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. See ya.